Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Verify Wise. In this one, we'll walk you through the use case section, and this is really where AI governance begins. Every AI system you deploy needs a use case. It's the container that ties together your risk, vendors, models, and compliance frameworks into one auditable record. So let's start. We're on the use case pages now. You'll see each AI system you govern is listed here with its unique ID, UC-ID, owner, risk classification, and compliance progress. Let me click new use case to walk you through creating one. Over here you'll see there are some questionnaires that you can answer, which will automatically give you a framework that will help you decide your use case. But for now we'll be skipping the screening and we'll create a use case manually. So let's start by filling the form. Our use case title is AI powered loan approval engine. I'll select myself as the owner. The use case status, I'll keep it as in progress. And let's start the start date as for tomorrow. Along with the geography, I'll be focusing on European region. And our applicable regulations will be the EU AI Act. And the type of high risk role is deployer. As we are not creating the credit model ourselves, our AI risk classification is high risk. Creditworthiness assessment is explicitly listed under Annex 3. And there won't be any kind of approval workflow for this. And our goal would be to automate first pass credit decisions for personal loans under 50k euros. Alright, the target industry is obviously financial services. And consumer learning. For description, I'll just say an AI powered decisioning system that ingests applicant financial data. Alright, so I'll enable this option to automatically fill in the controls and assessment questions with AI generated answers, which obviously helps us to save time. You can review and edit these answers anytime, and I'll create the use case. Alright, so as you can see, let me first click into the use case. You'll see that Verify Wise gives us a complete workspace, overview of stats and progress, risks to attach the risk we identify, project settings to manage members and frameworks, and activity for full audit trail, post-market monitoring for once we go live. This is where everything comes down together. Vendors like the credit model provider, risk like bias in lending decisions, or model drift, they can all be linked to this use case so the auditor sees one coherent story. Obviously, in this section, we've shown you how to create a use case in Verify Wise, classifying your AI system's risk level, defining your role under the EU AI Act, and attaching the right compliance frameworks. Combined with the risk and vendor section, you now have a complete audit-ready picture of a single AI system. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.